Maayong adlaw na kahiusang Sugbo. Ako si Ashley Jane Rose Villanueva, ang reyna sa kadagatan sa Pilar, mapasigarduhong nagrepresentar sa Pumuksay Festival. Pumuksay is derived from the word puksay, a tool that is used by Pilaranong mananagat for navigation as they voyage the ponds and seas. Just like how our patron saint, San Francisco Javier, guides us in her daily life adventure, who, by the way, resides here in our local parish church. I brought here with me the pride of my home, the Pilar Municipal Marine Park, giving you a glimpse of the rich marine culture and biodiversity hidden beyond our waves. Embellished with Swarovski crystals, symbolizing the crystallizing waters our island has to offer. I am not only here to mesmerize you of its beauty, but also to open your eyes on how crucial it is to value the life the underwater possesses. For many decades, Pumuksay has been the main source of livelihood of my people. And in spite that, we strongly uphold the protection and prioritize the welfare of the aquaculture. And I would like to impart that aspect to you, my fellow Subuanons, that we Pilaranon, Pumuksay for our living, we Pumuksay wisely. Tara na, Pumuksay na kita. Daghang salamat.
Sa lungsod sa Bariling, ang iyang festival queen,